We all know that we need to have a sound body and mind, but oftentimes we forget about the need to care for, improve, and maintain a healthy financial situation. Thankfully, Wake Up Now has provided a group of products that will fill that need. Yes, Wake Up Now is a financial wellness company that provides a complete financial wellness program. This program works much like a financial prescription and has 4 main elements consisting of the following products: Wake Up Now Rewards, Wake Up Now Finance, Wake Up Now Deduction, along with a patent-pending compensation plan. Using Wake Up Now's financial wellness program, you can generate new money day one of your membership, and it starts with Wake Up Now Rewards. Wake Up Now Rewards is made up of a collection of benefits provided by merchants around the world that Wake Up Now members can use to save money on virtually anything they buy. For example, if you could save up to 50% on your favorite restaurants and eating establishments every time you eat out, would that interest you? Of course it would, and a lot of other people as well. When you become a member of Wake Up Now, you will immediately have access to Wake Up Now Rewards, and one of the benefits found in the Wake Up Now Rewards product is the Wake Up Now Premiums. Wake Up Now Premiums is a compilation of 285,000 merchants across the globe who are now participating as part of the Wake Up Now Financial Wellness Program. This makes Wake Up Now Premiums the world's largest private discount network, and it's growing. This exciting network has tens of thousands of restaurants in its registry that provide discounts of up to 50% off for Wake Up Now members. These discounts are available to you day one with your Wake Up Now membership and 24 hours a day thereafter. Simply access Wake Up Now Premiums through your team office. Browse through their tremendous selection of restaurant choices, pick the one you want, and print out the coupon. Take that coupon with you when you go to the restaurant and receive the discount immediately. But Wake Up Now Premiums has more than just restaurants in the registry. They have over 285,000 merchants worldwide. Merchants like local retail stores, hardware and sporting goods chains, automotive service and repair shops, health and beauty spas, and even such things as golf, movies, skiing, and recreation. Wake Up Now Premiums is only one of the benefits in the Wake Up Now Rewards product. Another benefit is the Wake Up Now Mall. Wake Up Now Mall is a collection of the top 2,000 to 3,000 most frequented stores across the country. Stores like Home Depot, Target, Best Buy, Nordstrom, and thousands more. When Wake Up Now members use the online Wake Up Now Mall to do their shopping, not only do they get the convenience of being able to do their shopping with their fingertips, but they also get the best sale prices each individual store offers, and they get cash back on top. That means with every purchase a Wake Up Now member makes, they get cash back, making shopping in the Wake Up Now Mall a no-brainer. Wake Up Now Rewards also has Wake Up Now Grocery. Wake Up Now Grocery is another benefit of the Wake Up Now Rewards product and has simplified the art of saving money on your groceries. We all know that you can save money with coupons, but instead of spending hours finding and clipping coupons so that you can save a little money when you shop, Wake Up Now Grocery lets Wake Up Now members save hundreds off their grocery bill without having to find, clip, or store coupons. We also have to include the savings and new money a Wake Up Now member can receive from 2 other benefits from the Wake Up Now Rewards product: Wake Up Now Travel and Wake Up Now Health. Wake Up Now Travel includes discounts on airline flights, rental cars, hotels, condos, cruises, and much, much more. Wake Up Now Health provides Wake Up Now members an affordable health insurance option. This all sounds wonderful, but it gets even better. Each day, Wake Up Now highlights special offers from all the merchants participating as part of the Wake Up Now Rewards product in what they call Wake Up Now Daily Deals. The discounts from these deals go above and beyond the normal discounts offered by the merchants in Wake Up Now Rewards. They generate huge additional savings for Wake Up Now members. These daily deals are also archived, so you won't miss out on any great deal if you happen to miss checking the Wake Up Now daily deals. And the benefits of the Wake Up Now Rewards product don't stop there. Wake Up Now continually looks for programs that will help their members. They recently added a discount program for Wake Up Now that gives Wake Up Now members a substantial discount on cell phone service with Verizon. Saving money on the things we buy every day is only part of a complete financial wellness program. A second and vital element of a complete financial health regimen is being able to manage your finances as well. Wake Up Now members can do just that with Wake Up Now Finance. Wake Up Now Finance is a state-of-the-art financial management system that tracks, records, and manages all financial transactions for Wake Up Now members automatically. This management product includes automated budgeting and debt reduction, allowing members to pay off their bills much faster than they could ever have imagined. And they can do this without having to take additional monies out of their pocket. With this financial management system, Wake Up Now members can get out of debt and stay out of debt for the rest of their lives. A part of the Wake Up Now Finance product is an FDIC insured debit card, which gives each Wake Up Now member the ability to survive in our technologically advanced financial world. The third element of Wake Up Now's complete financial wellness program is Wake Up Now Deduction. Wake Up Now members become home-based business owners when they join Wake Up Now and immediately enjoy all the benefits associated with being a business owner. This includes getting tax deductions employees don't. In fact, a home-based business owner is eligible for up to 450 tax deductions that employees don't get. Now, I'm sure most of you don't know what they are, but Wake Up Now Deduction does. In fact, the Wake Up Now Deduction product identifies each tax deduction Wake Up Now members are eligible for, calculates the deductions for them, and automatically tracks them. This monthly record of their savings from these tax deductions ensures they don't miss out on any of the savings. You can now see that as a member of Wake Up Now, you have access to the finest financial wellness program ever conceived. Not only will you have the ability to track your expenses, budget your purchases, and take advantage of tax savings to develop a roadmap that will get you out of debt in the shortest time possible, and you will also have the opportunity to save money on almost everything you buy. Now, if that were not enough, you'll be part of the most aggressive compensation plan in the direct sales or network marketing arena. With this patent-pending compensation plan, each new Wake Up Now member has the opportunity and potential of earning a substantial residual income very quickly. Following this financial prescription, your financial health is just one step away. Enroll now and become a member of Wake Up Now, where all of the Wake Up Now financial products, Wake Up Now Rewards, Wake Up Now Finance, and Wake Up Now Deduction will become yours immediately.